Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret and thank you for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and please press the notification button because when I upload another video, then you are the first to know. This channel is about tips and tricks of what you can use in order to build your business online. This video is about ideas to make some lead magnets. When you are in this business and you want to build this business, you need some bait, you need some freebies to give away. You need some, they call it lead magnets, some things that you must give away. In order for you to get something in this business, you must give something away. As easy as that. That is now running around the bush or something. You must need to understand. Even this life that you are living, the world that you are living in order for you to have a good life or to survive in this world, you need to give. It's a give and take world. You must give something in order to get something. Simple as that. So this is a video about lead magnet ideas or free gifts and ideas, things that you can give away in order to get something out. Here today, our focus is on what we wanted to build our email list. So this video is about to give you ideas that you can give away in order to build that list. You understand? You want to grow your business, you need people. Or you want to sell a product. You're not just going to sell a product. Say, oh, sell this, click on this link. In order for them to click on that link, you need to give them first something. Then they can maybe trust you and then they can click on the link and say, okay, I like the product, I can buy the product. But you can't just put a link in front of people or product in front of people. It's just like you're fishing. You must have bait in order to catch the fish. That's how this life is. Let us start this video. So your first idea that you can use is a resource list. If you are in business, maybe you are in business, you are selling something, or you are cooking, you need a resource list, or you are in fashion, whatever. There are some resources that you can use, or you're on YouTube, like I'm on YouTube. There are some resources that you can use. You must have that list out. For instance, if you want to be you have a website of a photography website. When you're taking photos, you're making videos, automatically you have resources that you need, that you must have. You must have the camera, you must have the lighting, you must have all these things. So you can write all these resources that you need on a list. If somebody wants to start with this business, this is just an idea. If somebody wants to start on the business, they can know, okay, I want to start this photography business. Okay, this is the list, this is the things that I need. Give that list as a lead magnet out. Done. Your second idea of lead magnets, it is your quick start guide. This is a guide that I use. When I started my YouTube channel, there's some things that I need to know and understand about the YouTube. So I come across a quick start guide. I'm not going to give you the guide, I'm just going to give you an idea of the guide because I got this guide also from somebody that I have to give my email for in order to get the guide. And that's how it works. So there are steps in order for me to make YouTube, to understand YouTube. This is what I need to understand, and then I got a guide, and now I start quickly and getting myself on YouTube. So if you come across this, I don't have the name of the channel. This is not about the channel. It's about the ideas that you can use. You can Google it on Google and just put in there quick start guides for YouTube or whatever business you are in. And you can for free download PDF and you can just download some of those things. If you don't want to give your email to these websites. Then your third idea is a cheat sheet. A cheat sheet is maybe you are doing something that you yourself, something that you basically just jot down for yourself. So when you want somebody's email, you just give this cheat sheet that you have designed and developed. Most of the things that I'm doing, I'm going to Canva just to make it a little bit nice. You put the information on there, and then when they're clicking on your website and they want to subscribe to your website, maybe you give them you said there, subscribe, and then you can download this cheat sheet. So I'm on YouTube, I'm giving some pointers that I'm normally using on YouTube, which day I'm going to upload, what type of videos I'm going to upload, how do I get into my SEOs, or what is the end card that I'm doing. When the end card I'm doing, you start with or how to up, for instance, the cheat sheet that I created for myself. It is how to upload a video. That looks so simple, but some steps you need to know. If you can just jot that parts down, and then you can create and put it on Canva, and just create a nice background for that thing. It's a cheat sheet that you can give to somebody, because people are coming new on the platform of YouTube, and they don't have any idea how it works. So use that cheat sheet, and then you can create it for yourself, and then you can present it to your audience. In order for them to give you, the goal is here, most of you need some bait. In order for them to give you the email address, or subscribe to your website or whatever, then you can have that. So one of the things, the fourth one is something that is very popular. It is when you have when you have a video, when you're explaining something. So you go to your website and you post that you present as your video to your audience. Maybe you have a video on YouTube that you did not publish. Nobody saw this video. It's just there. Then you can download that video when people are coming to your website or to your blog, whatever, and you want them to subscribe, and you can present this video there with interesting information, things that you want to teach them, maybe for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever, in order for them to subscribe to your website or to your blog or to your Facebook page, whatever. So that is also an important thing that you must do, that you can do in order to get people to subscribe or to get more audience for you. List. Then the third idea, it is a checklist. Checklist is just so obviously. It is when you're in the type of niche that you are in and you're going to start this business, you need you need to check up some stuff. For instance, I'm going to make the example again. For instance, if you are going to, maybe you've got a cooking channel and you want to cook some things, then you're going to write on a piece of paper or on your laptop or on your phone, the youngsters type on their phone, things that you're going to do for the process for you to make a cooking, let's say my cooking video. So you're going to check, this is a very practical example, you're going to make a cooking video, you're going to cook rice. So you're going to have this, I got the pots that I'm going to use there, what I'm going to throw into the rice. Maybe I'm going to make some Indian rice, whatever rice. What is the ingredients that I'm going to have there, how many time I'm going to use in order to make the video. I must have my camera ready, I must get my backdrop ready, whatever, everything must be nice. So every time you have all those things, you're going to make for this video, you're just going to check it all. And then there's your checklist finished. So if you can create a checklist, and that doesn't matter which niche it is, it's a process that you're going to follow, and every time you come to step by step, you just call it a checklist. People have to check it off. I've done it. And then you have this checklist is something that's so easy to do. Then you can give a checklist also for your audience or the people that you want to subscribe to your website. Then important thing that I recently discovered, it is a script for your email. So if you want to do email marketing, you are going to write a lot of emails. So if you can get that scripts for free, you can send it. If somebody can give that scripts, then you are set. And you just have the format, and you just fill your details in that email script. So if you have a lot of emails, and you want to compile those emails into a format that you can give as a lead magnet, then you are good to go. You give that lead magnet to your subscribers or to your audience or for them, and then they can download it and they can use it even in their business. And they have to subscribe, and then they get the email. They can download this email list, and then you are done. It's a very, very good idea because I use that one. Your seventh tip, it is how you can create a mini course. It doesn't matter in which niche you are. You can use the information that you are building your business now. You build your business now. You struggle with your business now. You grow your business. Jot it down, and you can just create a small little course around it. A mini course is maybe just 5 pages. Just a few information that you present as a course. You can also go to Canva in order to make it nice. So this is a small little course. Get your details on it. Make it nice. Present it, and you present it as a lead magnet. And you put it on your blog post or on your website. When they download, you want to subscribe. In order for them to subscribe, you said, okay, then you can download this mini course. This mini course is about how to create better YouTube videos. You are giving it was your course. You are giving your ideas for it. And then they can download it, and then it's also another idea. Then your eighth idea is also when maybe you want to write a ebook. Maybe you want to write an ebook on what is an important niche that you like, an ebook, or maybe on your, how to make money online. You have your ideas. Then you can give a lead magnet and say, okay, download the lead magnet of the first free chapter of this book. Then they can download this. You must be very clever, because this chapter must be so compelling that they wanted to buy the book. You give them a few of 1 or 2 chapters. It must be so intriguing, so catching, that they can email you back and say, where's the book? So that is also a good idea, especially if you are into books, online books that you of digital products. You just give them because it's a bite. Just give them a little bite, but it must be so catchy, and so it must hook them. So they can come back and say, okay, I want to buy the whole book. Give them a chapter, maybe just of 5 pages. If the book is about 75 pages, you give them 5 pages, so they can come in and give them a bite, buy that book. That is our top number 8. Our top number 10, it is a thing that I also like, that is currently now, I also look for. It is a course assessment. You get this website to ask you some course. So if you can give somebody a lead magnet about course questions and answers, and you can say, okay, you can get this course about how to start your YouTube business, and people can answer a question. So you can answer that question, and then the people who are starting new in this business can say, okay, I can answer this question, this is a course, this is how I do, this is what I still have to do, and still have to try out these things that I don't know. Course is also something that's very important. So there's a lot of those websites out there who's asking questions on different things, even on losing weight. Then the next one, your next lead magnet idea, it is to, if you can design a lot of templates for your lead magnet. In other words, if you have a template on email, how to make to create your email list, or just a template for the cheat list, just all these things that I mentioned here, you can just make an empty template, and they just have to fill in the text. You can go to our website called Canva that I use now the whole video, and you just create empty templates and just give them templates. Okay, my lead magnet is about 5 templates of different things. I think you can give them a template of YouTube, and they can just put the checklist of the information of YouTube in. You can give them a template of how to start a blog, and they can just put in the text on how to start a blog. You can give them a template on how to start email marketing, and you got them a template, and they can just fill in the text. You can give them a template of how to start affiliate marketing. Just fill it. So if you can give them a lead magnet of 5 templates of different things, you see, or a collection of templates, then you are also good to go. Where people just can download the templates, and then what type of business they are, they just fill in the text, their details, the name of their business, blah 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 blah, and they have the template, whatever, they can go on with their business with these templates. Because some of us don't want to start from scratch. We don't want to start from a blank page. You can get something as well for free, then we can use it, and we need to step up. You see, the internet is full of people who can help you with those things. You just need to find those things and start with it. Your last one, not to waste the time of this video, it is live training. This is something that every day I listen to a webinar, a live training, in order to educate myself in this business. Because in order to survive in online business, you need to have some knowledge. Make reading you and reading. You must be like this. You must be together on the same page. You must be prepared to learn things. But it doesn't matter from you need to get your skills up. If you are lazy, you don't want to take a book, you don't want to read, this business is not, especially when you start with this business. Because the internet is full of ideas, you must look for ideas, creative ideas. And then you must start to brainstorm these ideas and start to create some things for yourself. So this is something that I do on a daily basis. I have to get myself to live trainings, webinars, you name it, I get myself in there and I'm learning. You know, I'm an educator currently for the past 30 years. I have a degree. But I can tell you now, the things that I've learned myself, taught myself on this internet, it is 100 times more worth it for me now in this business that I want to venture into. I don't think about going, I was a teacher in the teaching, but I said to myself, that is a chapter I want to close that chapter. I've done teaching one, I've done it, I'm done. If I survive 30 years in this one profession, then I can definitely survive in this next profession. So enough about me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And press the notification button. Please, 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 please. I am new and I am coming up on this business and I have a lot of things to learn. But I promise myself, I can do it. And I want you to have the same confidence in yourself that you can do it. Take it from me. I've already survived 30 years of work. I survived that one. I'm definitely going to survive another 30 years in this online business. So, with that said and done, please join me in my next video. I will put on my previous videos that you can watch here on this channel, on the end card. You can watch it. So, bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.